Let's be honest, using Aliexpress for your dropshipping store can be a real headache. If you're new to dropshipping, well, you might not see the problems yet, but trust me, there are a lot. One of the main issues being the long shipping times. When you use Aliexpress, the product can take up to 1 month to be delivered. This can seriously not only put off your customer buying the product, but also means that there is a high chance that your customer will ask for a refund. But not only that, there have been numerous times where the product has not even been delivered to the customer in the first place. This means that you need to dispute this with Aliexpress and refund your customers, which is a massive headache, especially if you're scaling your store. However, in today's video, I'm going to talk about an alternative supplier which not only offers fast shipping time, but honestly changes the dropshipping game in many ways. And by the end of this video, you'll have everything set up so that when you start getting orders, everything will be taken care of for you. Now, the supplier I'm talking about is Commercive, and honestly, they are amazing. I have used so many different suppliers in the past, but I really do like this one. It's something I've switched to recently, and honestly, the benefits are amazing. So Commercive is a private dropshipping supplier, and trust me, it's always better to go with a private supplier. The reason being is if you want to take dropshipping seriously, this is very important, because what you will get with a private supplier that you won't get with Aliexpress is firstly much better quality products. As with Aliexpress, a lot of the times the customers will receive broken products in terrible packaging, which will prompt the customer to ask for a refund, which means you will lose out. And I know there are a ton of different apps out there, and honestly some of them just aren't good enough. I really think Commercive is a fantastic supplier. Now what I'm going to do is show you how to get started with them. Also guys, if you are enjoying the video so far, make sure you smash that subscribe button. So firstly, make sure you sign up with Discord if you haven't already yet. Just make sure you download the app from the website and sign up. Now once you've done that, click the link in my description and join their Discord group. Now once you join, you'll get access to their free community. However, if you really want to benefit from Commercive, go over here where it says join Commercive, then make sure you click this link, and once you do that, it will take you to this what page. Now if we scroll down, you can see some of their key features. So you get access to a private supplier, which means you'll get the best prices, fast shipping times, and even the best quality products. You'll get access to a Discord community. You'll also get access to weekly winning products, which is pretty cool. You also get weekly calls within the Discord group, which gives a lot of value, as well as e-com solutions like their video ad agency and store building teams. Now the way you upgrade is by going over here and clicking get access. This will give you a 7-day free trial, and it's $29.99 a month after. So make sure you fill in your details, and once you've done that, you then need to go onto your Discord, and right over here where it says supplier. Now this is so simple, and honestly I really like this method. All you do is go over here where it says create a ticket. Now once you've done that, you'll see your ticket right here at the bottom, and all you essentially have to do is paste in the Aliexpress link of your product. So for example, let's say I found this product on Aliexpress. All I have to do is copy the link and then just paste it onto that ticket. Now after you've done that, an actual human being from a supplier in China will respond, giving you the product price including shipping, which you pay them after you receive your order from your customer. It's literally as easy as that. If you're already making orders, just let them know and they'll take over as your supplier and fulfill your orders. They'll also give you the best prices so you can maximize profits. Now if you're already making 10 orders per day on a particular product, you'll automatically be upgraded to a VIP client, and you'll be able to speak directly to the supplier through WhatsApp. And as you're making 10 or more orders per day, you'll get the best pricing and shipping for your product. So guys, if you want to take dropshipping seriously, you need to go with a private supplier like Commercive, because you'll be able to maximize profits, especially if you're scaling. So guys, make sure you use Commercive for your dropshipping journey, because honestly a supplier is extremely important, and especially if you go with a private supplier, you can speak directly with them compared to making orders on Aliexpress and other platforms. And if you still don't believe me that Commercive is a great platform, well, Andrew Tate himself uses Commercive for his merchandise, so you can already tell this is a fantastic supplier. So again, make sure you click my link in the description, join their Discord group, and upgrade your account. Now if you want to see me scale a store to over $4,000 in only 48 hours, make sure you click the video that you see on your screen, and I'll see you guys there.